Welcome to Ho Ho Cooking. Today we are making something absolutely delicious. Tuna-stuffed baked potatoes. It's creamy and it's packed with flavor. So let's get cooking. Delicious! First up, oil-packed tuna. Let's drain the oil. Sorry, tuna, you are on a diet today. Why isn't the bunny eating this? Anyway, let's peel it clean. Half a carrot should be enough. Slice it thin. Careful now. Oops! Almost cut my finger. Ooh! Now, chop it up nice and fine. Toss the chopped carrot into the tuna bowl. Next, let's add green onions for some fresh flavor. Feeling fancy? Throw in some cilantro or parsley too. Chop, chop, chop. Now, for the magic mix. Add ketchup, chili sauce, mayo, black pepper, and just a pinch of salt. Mix it all up. Go wide. No need to be gentle here. Time for the potatoes. Slice them in half. Steam or boil until soft. Drop them into the pot like a broil chef for that fancy slow-mo effect. Now, let's melt some butter in the microwave, because who has time to wait? Grab some baking cups and brush the melted butter all over. Get every corner. The potatoes are ready. Take them out and let them cool. Press them down with a pestle or any random tool you think will work. Just make a little hole in the middle. Time to fill them up. Scoop the tuna mixture onto the potatoes. Looking good already. Now, time to bake. Air fryer or oven, your choice. The smell? Absolutely irresistible. We can't forget the mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle a generous amount on top. Bake for 5 more minutes. And done! Let's dig in. Baked potatoes, roasted tuna, perfection! The perfect combo of crispy potatoes and savory tuna. Try it out, you won't regret it. Delicious! I truly appreciate every like and comment from you. Your interaction is a huge motivation for me. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!